Hello folks, today we have a Vauxhall Vivaro, however you pronounce it. We have added a 10.1 inch Kenwood screen with Apple CarPlay. It's wireless, but at the moment we're just running it through a cable. Full touch screen, so you can imagine Kenwood gives you everything that you would want. Go back to Kenwood, you've got your DAB radio, etc. Let's just go home. We've also then added a reverse camera, which gives us the rear camera, and the customer has also requested left and right cameras. I mean, there's one done there, so he's got them in the wing mirrors as well. He's got them in the rear and then the left and so forth. If something like this interests you, give us a ring. We'll be happy to do it. Let's just go back to home, and we've got the steering controls working as well. So yeah, nice little upgrade to the original basic unit that was in here. Contact Waz, B&B Audio Concepts, 02920 707 275. Thank you.